Uniswap value equivalent to $6.1680 a coin. The present reach. $6.0750, $6.3263. The earlier day close. $6.1716. The change was 0.0036, 0.06%. Opposite rate. United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost forecast for November 2023. To start with, cost at $4.15. Greatest cost $7.77, least cost $4.01. The normal for the month $5.70. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.88, change for November 65.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else, cost at $6.88. Most extreme cost $9.29, least cost $6.13. The normal for the month $7.48. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $7.62, change for December 10.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at $7.62. Most extreme cost $7.62, least cost $6.60. The normal for the month $7.24. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $7.10, change for January 6.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with, cost at $7.10. Greatest cost $7.75, least cost $6.73. The normal for the month $7.21. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $7.24, change for February 2.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at $7.24. Greatest cost $7.24, least cost $5.65. The normal for the month $6.55. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6.08, change for spring 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset, cost at $6.08. Most extreme cost $7.54, least cost $6.08. The normal for the month $6.69. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $7.05, change for April 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else, cost at $7.05. Most extreme cost $7.92, least cost $6.88. The normal for the month $7.31. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.40, change for May 5.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $7.40. Greatest cost $7.40, least cost $6.34. The normal for the month $6.99. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.82, change for June 7.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else, cost at $6.82. Most extreme cost $6.82, least cost $5.71. The normal for the month $6.37. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6.14, change for July 10.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $6.14. Most extreme cost $6.14, least cost $5.33. The normal for the month $5.84. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.73, change for August 6.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at $5.73. Greatest cost $6.07, least cost $5.27. The normal for the month $5.69. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.67, change for September 1.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.67. Greatest cost $7.04, least cost $5.67. The normal for the month $6.24. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6.58, change for October 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $6.58. Most extreme cost $6.58, least cost $5.39. The normal for the month $6.09. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $5.80, change for November 11.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at $2.00. Greatest cost $2.28, least cost $1.98. The normal for the month $2.10. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.13, change for January 6.5%. Unity United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with cost at $2.13. Greatest cost $2.13, least cost $1.66. The normal for the month $1.93. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.79, change for February 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $1.79. Most extreme cost $2.23, least cost $1.79. The normal for the month $1.97. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $2.08, change for spring 16.2%. Unity United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Before all else cost at $2.08. Most extreme cost $2.51, least cost $2.08. The normal for the month $2.26. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $2.35, change for April 13.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.35. Greatest cost $2.35, least cost $1.83. The normal for the month $2.13. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.97, change for May 16.2%. Unity United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Before all else cost at $1.97. Most extreme cost $1.97, least cost $1.53. The normal for the month $1.78. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.65, change for June 16.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2026. Initially cost at $1.65. Most extreme cost $2.04, least cost $1.65. The normal for the month $1.81. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.91, change for July 15.8%. Unity United States dollars expectations for August 2026. Before all else